Okay, this is part 2 of Zotero content management app. So we have built part A of my video on Zotero content management is the follow-up. So I'm going to show you some tools that you can use within Zotero content management to make your content management easier and more interesting. Okay, so if you stick with me throughout this video, you should be able to pick up some useful tips to effectively use Zotero content management app. Okay, so one of the useful tool that I find it interesting and it makes my content management with Zotero easier is the Zotero Connector. It is an extension that you can install on any of your browser toolbar, like Microsoft Edge, which is the one that I'm going to use as an example. You can also install it on Chrome toolbar. You can also look up Firefox, see whether you can install it there. Okay, in Microsoft Edge, if you cannot find a shortcut of the extension here you can see a shortcut already there. But if you cannot see the extension shortcut, then you go to the settings. There are 3 dots on the top right-hand side. You can see my mouse pointer. Just click on those dots and then scroll down and look for extensions. Okay, this is the one. Point your mouse on the extensions and then you move your mouse to the right. So you have 2 options here, manage extensions and get extensions for Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to click on the second one, get extensions for Microsoft Edge. Okay, so click on that. Okay, now on the left side you see Edge add-ons, discover, extensions and themes. So I'm going to click on extensions. Okay. So on the left-hand side, the extensions that are organized under this categories here, there are a number of them here. But to speed up the process, you click in the search box on the right side, search extension themes and more. Just click there and type Zotero. As soon as you type Zotero, you'll see Zotero Connector display here in this pop-up showing the results. So you just where Zotero Connector is, you move your mouse to the right and then click on Get. Okay, so click on that and click Add Extensions or Add Extension. So click on that. Okay. Okay, now you can see you have already installed the Zotero Connector. So you can click Manage Shortcuts. You can see the shortcuts here. Okay, to pin the Zotero Connector on the toolbar of the browser, if you have the shortcut of extension here, you can click on that or go to the 3 dots and follow the same step that I showed earlier. So I'm going to click on the extension shortcut here. And then I'm going to scroll down and look for Zotero Connector. Okay. What you're going to do is look at that icon that looks like a pin here. Just click on that one to pin the Zotero Connector on the toolbar. Okay, now you see it's already here. Okay. Okay. Now, the next step is to use this extension or add-on to quickly capture an icon from a web browser, a website, article that you find very useful on any topic that is of interest to you. You can use the Zotero Connector to quickly capture the content to your collection in Zotero. Okay, so you already added it to your Zotero collection. So this one I added under Gen AI category in my library. Okay. All right. Okay, what you need to do is make sure you open Zotero. Okay. And click on the collection or category that you want to add the content from the website to make it easier. So if you don't open that category or collection, then Zotero will prompt you again to open the or select the collection or category. Okay, I'm going to select news, Gen AI news by clicking on it. So you see other news articles that I found useful, uh, and they're relevant to my collection on Gen AI news. I used Zotero Connector previously to quickly capture this content, full article to my collection. Okay, so make sure you click on that to select it in order to effectively use Zotero Connector. Okay, next I'm going to go to the Edge browser, and then I'm going to look for the news article that is of interest to me. Okay, here I've got it on my Edge browser homepage, but you can set online for other articles that you want to add to your collection. Okay, and because I'm interested in Gen AI news, so look for Gen AI news. Okay, here's one interesting one here. The AI books scam taking over Amazon. So I'm going to click on that. So just scroll through. If I find the article or video interest to me, okay, so it looks like these are videos. So I can actually capture this one to my collection. So I go to Zotero Connector here. You can see the jet here. So I'm going to click on that. Now, for the first time, you'll see a message like this, but as you continue to use it, you won't see this one again. Because this is the first time. Let's say this is your first time, so this one pops up. So click on got it, and it goes away. And then you click on the Zotero Connector again, the second time. And you can see that the video or content that is already added to Gen AI News collection or category. As you can see the name here. So you can see that I did not follow many steps to do that. Just one click and everything is added to the collection. So let's go to Zotero and find out whether the content is already cataloged. Okay. So let's see. Oh, here. This is the one. The AI book scam using or taking over Amazon. Amazon. The AI book scam taking over Amazon. So you, uh, along the way, next time you open your Zotero content management app and if you want to read this news, simply click on it or double click and you open the news and then you can watch it or read the content. Okay. My useful thing I find about the Zotero Connector is that it will automatically add the bibliography fields that you normally type yourself when you create your references and citations. So you do that manually, but tools like Zotero, they make that easier. So using Zotero Connector, it captures everything, not only the content itself, but the bibliography fields. So as you can see, the one that we added now to Gen AI collection or category, uh, when I clicked on this article or video here, you see all these bibliography fields on the right, displayed on the right side. I did not type these fields. The extension or connector did that for me. So it showed the type of content and the title of the what the content that I captured, and the other fields like the website, the dates, and if the article showed the name of the author, then the author's name will be listed here. Currently, it's not displayed because the author is not clearly indicated on the video content here. And website title, website type, date, but most of the required information are already here. So if you want to use this one as one of your sources in your content, then this one can easily be inserted into your content that you're writing. Okay. So if I click on the others, you can see the same thing. Okay, this is the bibliography fields for this article here. All right. The type of article is web page, title, and it's written by this author here. So you can see the author's name, first name, surname, or family name, and date, the website where I captured the content, and the other information displayed here. So not only news articles or other web content, it can be your PDF files that you downloaded from an online database, those research articles, reports, books. Zotero Connector can be very useful in this capturing the bibliography information, and it makes your job easier. Okay. Now let's say I want to cite these sources here. So in part A, I showed you how to quickly generate a bibliography on your selected content. You can do the same thing for your citations. Citations are very useful when you cite part of a content. Can be a word or a phrase or sentence that you got from an original source. So you cite that in your paragraphs. So after selecting this content, I'll simply right-click and click on look for bibliography field. Create bibliography from items. So we want to click on that. I'm going to click on create bibliography from items. So click on that. So select the style. So whatever style that you are using, example APA or one of those styles listed here. So we'll use APA 7 Edison as an example. So in part A, I showed you how to do the bibliography. Now I'm going to show you how to use the citation. So click on that. And then the output, where do you want the output to go? So you save as RTX. It looks similar to Word, Microsoft Word. Second one is saved as HTML document or file type, or copy to clipboard, or you can print it using your printer. So in this example, let's say I'm going to copy to clipboard. So I'm going to click OK. All right. I'll go to my Word document. And then paste this. Okay, it pasted all the articles that you have selected, the citations. So what you're going to do is organize this one properly, and then in your paragraph of your that you want this particular reference to be inserted into that part of your paragraph, then simply copy and paste into that. So example, I want to cite this author here. So I just select one from here. Let's see. Right. This one here. So let's use the last one. So you could copy this one and then paste it into the part of the article. Okay, to make it easier, you need to separate these ones in some sort of order so that you can quickly look for the correct reference to edit as part of your citation in your paragraphs. Okay. If you have already installed the Zotero add-on in Word, then it will be displayed here. As you can see, Zotero add-on here. So you can, this one will connect to your Zotero collection, and you can easily use these tools to add the references to your document. So to find out how you can add this extension, you go to Zotero website and then look for add-ons, and then you can look for the one with the name Zotero add-on for Word. Install it, and it will be added to your Word document. So you can either follow this method I showed you now, or you can just use it within Word and quickly add the reference or citation. Okay. I would like to explain more about the Zotero add-on for Microsoft Word. Now, the latest version of Zotero, you don't need to install it yourself. As soon as you install the app on your device, your laptop, the Word add-on will automatically be installed as well. So as you can see, this one here, I did not install it myself, but as soon as I installed the app on my laptop, it also installed the Word add-on. So it made it easy for me. So for the latest updated version of Zotero, it's added automatically to your Word document. Okay, as you can see here. All right. The next thing I would like to show you is the you can actually add your content manually by adding the information to your collection. Like this one here, I'm going to add this book. This is a complete Microsoft Windows networking book, which I'm going to add to my Zotero content management app. Okay. So to add this book to the collection, you make sure you click on the category. Here I'm going to add it to the computer networks. So make sure it's open. And these are some content that are already attached to the collection. Now to do this one, you need to click on the first tool on the left side above the list of contents. So this one here. Once you point your mouse there, it will show the message new item. So you click on that. So it depends on what type of content that you want to add to your collection. Can be a blog post, can be a book section, document, journal article, artwork, audio recording that you recorded or found it online and you want to add it to your collection. So there depends on what type of content that you want to add to your collection. Okay, because this one is a book, so I'm going to click on book. Okay, and there you are. So on the right side, you can see the bibliography fields that you need to complete. So the title of the book is Microsoft Windows Networking Essentials. So I'm going to type Microsoft Windows Networking Essentials. Okay. Press enter. All right. So the next field you're going to enter is the last name and first name, the author's name. So if you type it straight in, make sure you use comma to separate the names. So obviously the family name or surname comes first. So let's see. Gibson will come first. Then, and click in the first name there and type the first name. Darrell. Darrell. And then then press enter. Okay. So enter the ones that you feel that they are essential to your needs. Okay. If the book is in its second, third edition, make sure you type that one in. Okay. So this has some information here. Okay. And there's no edition. Let's check the others. Publisher. Okay, I'm going to type the publisher. Wiley Publishing Inc. Eh? Let's see, single L. Okay, single L. Wiley Publishing. Comma Inc. And C dot. Okay. What next? So you continue to check the information in the book and then complete the rest. Yes, so type all those ones in, the ones that you found they're essential to your needs. You complete that one. If you think the website URL is important, you can type that one in as well. Okay. And the language, if the book is in German or English or French, type it. Okay. Okay. All right. So I can go ahead and complete the others that I find to be essential to my needs. I'll complete that. But I typed the main ones already. Okay. So it will come under here. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to add the book itself by attaching it. So you can right click and look for the option, add attachment, and then move your mouse to the right and click on file, add attachment, file, and set in your on your device where the book is located. In this example, it's located in one of my course book. Okay, this one here. Go to network ebooks. It should be there. Okay. Windows networking. Okay, click this select and click open. Okay, the book is now attached to my as you can see here, video file. So next time I want to open it straight from here, I can do that. So go back to computer networks, look for Microsoft Windows networking. Okay, so you can double click and you can actually access the book from here. Okay. All right, the book is right here. Okay. So this is the cover of the book, Microsoft Windows Networking. So it makes it convenient for me so that I can easily access it and work on my content, and then accessing the content in the book that I want to use in my work, my project. Okay. All right. I would like to explain on how you can use Zotero add-on in Word. Um, so Zotero add-on is added to Word as soon as you install the Zotero app on your device. So it will automatically add the add-on to Microsoft Word. So here I'm going to show you how to use it to add your citation to your paragraph. Okay. So make sure click your mouse where you want the citation to go. In this example here, at the end of this paragraph. So I'm going to click on Zotero. But before I go any further, I'll go to Zotero app again and select the content that I'm going to cite. So I'm going to go to Computer Networks, select Microsoft Windows Networking Essentials, the book that I added a few minutes ago. So select Microsoft Windows Networking Essentials, and then I'll go to Word again. And because I selected Zotero already, so I'm going to click on Add Edit Citation. Okay, you can see the citation has been inserted, but the other information from the book not yet inserted. So we have to come here again. Now, because I selected Microsoft Windows Networking Essentials already in Zotero, it appears here. So all I have to do is click on the title here. So click on it, and it displays the author and the year. Okay. Once that one is done, you can click here click on the check mark here to accept the whatever information you see here. So you accept by clicking there. All right. And now the full information is citation information is added. So you have the surname and the year of publication. Okay. So it makes the job easier. So instead of typing it manually, you follow that step and it speed up the process of writing. Okay. If you find this video very useful, please help support the channel to grow by subscribing and liking the video.